Good morning and welcome to vlog number 8. Last week somebody told me that doing the voiceovers in the vlog made me sound like Morgan Freeman from March of the Penguins, so I think I'm probably going to stick with the voiceovers. We've been working on a kitchen project in Melrose for a while, and this week we followed Dave and Tim as they hang sheetrock and install hardwood floor in that kitchen. This week I also spent some time with the Plumbers on a few different bathroom jobs. To wrap it up, I spent some time with Doug and Zach working on the boiler that we did a time-lapse of Tyler building a few weeks ago. Thank you for watching vlog number 8. Tune in next week for vlog number 9.
Over here at TPro, we like to try out our tubs before our customers do, so we're just in here making sure everything's good. And it's good to go. Just gotta turn the water on.